Sorry, cross talk ko khatam karegi. We have a time to follow. So just got it.
Dr. Smina Mushtaq. I am working as medical specialist in PhD practical and practicing as rheumatologist in Rawalpindi, Azad Kashmir.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Taqdees Khalid. I'm working as associate physician rheumatology in Federal Government Polyclinic Hospital, Istanbul.
I'm Dr. Aisha Malik. I'm working as an assistant professor of rheumatology at Jubilee Hospital.
So, my name is Dr. Hamzan. I'm working as a consultant rheumatologist in Patel Hospital, Karachi.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Jubilee. I am working as assistant professor of rheumatology in Jubilee Hospital, Islam.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Sheikh Ahmed Khan. I am working as a consultant rheumatologist at Ola Medical College, Quetta.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Yasir Khan, working at AP Rheumatology in King Edward Medical University.
Assalamualaikum. Ghulam Shakir. I am into private practice. Work as rheumatologist in Multan.
Sajid Naseem, consultant rheumatologist, Pakistan Air Force Hospital in Medical Center, Islamabad.
Dr. Sajid Ali Khan, working as rheumatologist in Multan.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Furqan. I am working as senior star rheumatology in Postgraduate Medical Center, Karachi.
Assalamu alaikum. Dr. Tabir is working as assistant professor of rheumatology, Dow University of Health Sciences, Karachi.
Dr. Shafiq Rahman, first year MBBS. Working as head of the department of rheumatology, JPMC.
Assalamu alaikum ji. I am Dr. Abar, working as associate professor of rheumatology at Indus Medical College, Multan, which might have not been heard by many of you. Working as adult and pediatric rheumatologist, but it is very far from main areas.
Again, they just get you.
We are done.
Nobody knows you. You have to introduce.
Also, introduction would be that's fine. We all introductions. That's
मेरा नाम आबिद फारूकी मैं इस्लामाबाद में नौकरी करता था रिटायर हो गया
The last one, please. Is there anyone left to introduce themselves? Okay, that's fine. Okay. Professor Amjad Naseem sir is there, so that's fine. Thank you. With the permission of the President, we will move on along the agenda, if that's okay.
Yes, please.
Thank you. So we said that the next agenda point will be individual reports by the different committees of the PSR. So I will request Professor Ahmed Saeed sir to give an outline of the membership committee, please.
So, as of yesterday, we received total 9 applications. There were 7 for executive membership and the 2 for associate membership. In the council meeting yesterday, so after some observations, we have come up with a decision on following applications who have been accepted as PSR executive members. Dr. Ashar Ahmed. Ashar Ahmed is at Ziauddin Hospital, Karachi, and he is Ashar Ahmed here. So we welcome Ashar Ahmed. Dr. Sadra Khushi, who is at Jubilee Medical College. Dr. Shahida Parveen, who is currently working at Fauci Foundation. Dr. Sakib Adnan from the Lady Reading Hospital, Peshawar. Dr. Taha Akhtar from consultant rheumatologist at Shifa. And then Dr. Mariam Ahmed, senior registrar at Central Park Teaching Hospital. We had 2 applicants who had applied for PSR associate membership or the category used to be that is the in training. Dr. Rahim Yunus is accepted. He has been accepted as a trainee member, and the same for Dr. Hassan Shawkat. Thank you, Chief. We welcome all these new members and hope that they will work mutually with the senior faculty towards the goals, achieving the goals of Pakistan Society of Rheumatology. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Ahmed Saeed. If there is any questions, we can probably discuss that later. I now request Professor Amjad Naseem Sir to kindly give his report as a treasurer of the PSR. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Verbally speaking, before I can set up my slides, we had a successful audit without any objections. We have paid all our taxes and we have filed our return with the FBI. So, as far as the books are concerned, we are up to date as of this year. Okay.